Hi, I'm Ben Grant, Managing Director of Impact Subsea. Today, we're excited to announce the launch of two new products. Firstly, we're launching seaMux, a highly compact subsea multiplexer. Depth rated to 6,000 meters and available in a fully titanium housing, seaMux provides the capability to network together multiple impact subsea sensors or third-party sensors. seaMux itself provides you with 4 communication ports. Each port can be individually set up to either be Ethernet, RS-232 or RS-485 serial communications. This allows Ethernet sensors to be connected along with serial sensors. Once all the sensors are connected, there's a connector for transmission to the surface, and this can be over Ethernet communications or VDSL. VDSL is quite a unique feature in that it allows us to put together a whole suite of sensors and transmit all the data over a simple screened twisted pair. This allows a high bandwidth capability to be added to ROVs that don't have Ethernet, don't have fiber. An example setup is to have seaMux with 2 impact subsea profilers, an imaging sonar, a depth sensor, an altimeter and heading sensor, all running into the one unit here and transmitted back to the surface. seaMux itself is primarily intended for use with impact subsea sensors, but it can also be used with third-party sensors. Any sensor which has Ethernet telemetry or RS-232 or RS-485 serial telemetry can have its data put through seaMux, transmitted to the surface, and broken out topside for interfacing to a third-party system. In addition to seaMux, we're also launching Unity, which is our topside control system. Unity is a full computer and communications interface in a 1U high 19-inch rack mountable form factor. The front is a very clean design. You have a power button, a couple of USB ports to allow getting data in and out of the system, and a couple of inlets for air cooling of Unity. On the back of Unity, you have a number of ports here. These 4 ports can all be serial or Ethernet ports, and they can be for direct connection to a sensor, or they can be for outputting data that's input into the seaMux. Then you've got your connection from the topside to subsea, which can either be Ethernet or VDSL. And then you have a number of ports, standard computer ports, and a power input for Unity. So Unity and seaMux work hand in hand and provide the capability to have a full sensor suite of impact subsea sensors, plus additional third-party sensors. Unity and seaMux can also be used purely with third-party sensors if required. For further information, please see our website.